Alright, here we are. This is Sand Creek Sports Race, Ascent Cycling number 3, and we're at Cheyenne Mountain State Park. Nice Saturday in July. Good job, good job! This is the start of the Pro and Cat 1 race. And they let them go here in waves. Good job, guys, good job! Hey, hey!
Hey, Timmy!
What do you say, brother?
Buxton!
Guys are in a good mood today, it sounds like. Another group coming up. Go, Tracy, go! Good work, good work. That's what I'm talking about. And they're off. I think most of them are going to go for 4 laps here in Cheyenne Mountain State Park. Tough little laps too, lots of technical, got some climbing. They'll get their workout in before it's over. This is Ascent Cycling number 3. We got one more to go after this. And they'll wrap it up for the local series here in Colorado Springs. Great day. Jeez, it's beautiful. Finally got some rain.